Namaste. I am Dr. Shama Kadri from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. And today in this video, we are going to talk about prosthesis. So don't confuse between orthotics and prosthetics. These are two different things, as prosthesis is used as an residual limb, but orthosis used for the deformity correction. Prosthesis or a prosthesis implant is an artificial device that replaces a missing body part which may be lost through trauma, disease, or condition present at birth, congenital disorder. Prostheses are intended to restore the normal function of the missing body part. Amputee rehabilitation is primarily coordinated by the physiatrist as part of the interdisciplinary team consisting of physiatrics, prosthetic nurse, physical therapists, and the occupational therapist. Processes can be created by the hand or with computer aided design CAD, a software interference that helps create design and sorry creators design and analyze the creation with computer generated 2D and 3D graphics as well as analysis and optimization of the tools. The type a person processes should be designed and assembled according to the person appearance and functions needed. For instance, a person can need a transradial processor but need to choose between a aesthetic functional device or a myoelectric device, a body power device, or an activity specific device. The person's future goal and economical capabilities may help them choose between one or more devices. Craniofacial processes include intraoral and extraoral processes. Extraoral processes are further divided into hemifacial, auricular, nasal, orbital, and ocular. Intraoral processes include dental processes such as denture, obturator, and dental implants. Processes of the neck include larynx substitute, trachea, and upper esophageal replacement. The limb processes are upper extremity processes are used at the varying level of the amputation. Forequarter, shoulder disarticulation, transhumeral processes, elbow disarticulation, transradial processes, wrist disarticulation, full hand, finger, partial finger, and transradial processes is an artificial limb that replaces an arm missing below an elbow. Lower upper limb processes can be categorized by the three main categories as a passive device, body power device, externally powered device. Passive devices can either be passive hand, mainly used for cosmetic purpose, passive tools mainly used for the specific activities. Extensive overview and classification of passive device can be found in the literature of review. Passive devices according to scientific, there is a body powered or a cable operator limb works by the attaching a harness and cable around the opposite shoulder to a damaged arm. The third category of the prosthesis device available are myoelectric arms. These work by sensing by electrodes when the muscles in the upper arm move, causing an artificial hand to open or close. In the uh, prosthetic industry, a transradial prosthetic arm is often referred as a BE or below elbow prosthesis. Lower elbow extremity provide replacement at varying levels of amputation. These include hip disarticulation, transfemoral processes, knee disarticulation, transvertebral processes, limb amputation, foot, partial foot, and toe. The two main subcategories of lower extremity prosthesis device are transradial. Any amputation transecting the tibia bone and the congenital anomaly resulting in TPA deficiency, and transfemoral, any amputation transacting the elbow bone or a congenital anomaly. The transfemoral as lower extremity process is often characterized by the level of the amputation or after the name of the surgeon of that is transfemoral above knee, transtibial below knee, ankle disarticulation, stem amputation, knee disarticulation, hemipelvectomy, hip disarticulation, partial foot amputation, chopard as done by the talonavicular and calcaneocuboid. Prosthetic materials are, as for making of the prosthetic, the materials are used as plastic, polyethylene, polypropylene, acrylics, polyurethane.